Do you like the thought of getting passive income? Income that you really don't have to work for. It just shows up once a month in your checking account. You don't have to clean any houses or plunge any toilets. You don't even have to invest any money. Well, if you're interested in that kind of passive income, you need to take Grow Your Profit Share Tree. In Grow Your Profit Share Tree, we'll show you how to take full advantage of the opportunity you have at Keller Williams by growing your profit share tree. We'll show you how we grow the profit share tree, what the profit share tree is, and we'll show you how to find people, build those relationships, and then refer them to your team leader so your team leader can do the tough part of recruiting them. If that sounds interesting to you, if you'd love to get passive income, then take Grow Your Profit Share Tree. I'm Bill Kennedy, and I'd love to see you in class.